Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to unboxing and review a new battery for my Asus ZenFone Go 4.5 inch ZB452KG model. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the packaging I bought from Shopee, and it's very cheap. So very nice green packaging. Now let's open the packaging. Bubble wrap, and this is my phone with cracked screen. Let me take scissors. Here's my scissors, very cute. It's quite difficult to cut it. My scissors is really small. Small but cute. Finally. Oh wow. So here's the new battery for my Asus ZenFone Go 4.5 inch. The model is ZB452KG. Let's check out. It is correct. A new battery, very nice and clean. Alright. Here's my phone. Let's install a new battery. Also, let's test the battery. Hopefully it works great. Let's turn on the phone. And yeah, it is working. Alright, so I already tested the battery and it is very good. Let's check out. Now he give me 21% of battery because they want to test before they ship out, and it works great. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new battery for my Asus ZenFone Go 4.5 inch ZB452KG in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.